This is Dr. Jasmine Prem, mathematician. From childhood, I liked mathematics and I wanted to study the mathematics. It's not because of someone's force, but it's my personal interest. Most of us usually we will not show much interest in mathematics. The reason because they feel the toughness in it. When we start from our childhood, we will scoring full marks, 100 out of 100. But within no time, slowly we will losing the interest of mathematics because it is difficult to learn, or we feel, some of us we feel it is not so easy to grasp. But it is not so. If you get a right teacher or right tutor who can guide you, you can learn the mathematics very easily. Mathematics is a subject where you no need to mug up. So today I wanted to teach the small thing. Actually, when I'm doing my research, I was always thinking of the high level scientific mathematics. But once I got married and I have kids and I wanted to teach them mathematics, yes, my children also started to score 100 out of 100. But when they came from the second standard, third standard, they saying that Mama, maths is tough. I don't want to study math anymore. But it's not so. Then I thought I have to innovate some easy methods for them to learn mathematics. When I'm doing it, I learned some mathematical multiplications. It is not so easy to mark up mathematic tables. So I wanted to make the mathematic learning tables is easier without using any pen pencil or any mugging up the or by hearting the numbers. So today we will learn how to learn the 9 table without using any mathematical table or without by hearting or without using any pencil and book. Are you all ready? How many fingers everyone will have usually? 10 fingers. Of course, some of them say they may have 11 fingers, but let us calculate as all 10 fingers. Let us take 10 fingers. Now 9 table when we are doing, actually it is a 9. So we use only 9 fingers. When you wanted to learn 9 table, turn your palm your side, means keep like this. Okay. Now I will teach you using these 10 fingers how to learn the 9 table. First, 9 ones are 9. So to learn the 9 table, 9 ones, first fold the first finger. Then how many fingers are there? We know these are 9 fingers. So 9 ones are 9. To know the 9 twos, take all the 10 fingers, fold the second finger. Now, how many 9 twos? This will represent the tens, the remaining fingers will represent ones. So, it is 10, this is 8, 18, 10 plus 8, 18, 9 twos are 18. Similarly, 9 threes, take the third finger, fold it and remaining fingers keep open. So this represents 20. 2 fingers, 2 tens are 20. Remaining single ones 7. Okay. 9 threes 27. Now when you do for the fours, 9 fours, open up the third finger, close the fourth finger. Now see, check. How many tens? 1, 2, 3 tens, 30. And remaining fingers are 6. So 9 fours are 36. 9 fives, close the fifth finger, open up all the 4 fingers and the single fingers. Here 9, how many 4 tens are there? 4 tens. So 9 fives are 45. When you want to do for the 9 6, close up the sixth finger. So this side all tens, this side all ones. From the beginning we are doing like that. So these are the 5 tens, 50 and 4. So 9 6 are 54. 9 7, close the seventh finger. This side all tens, this side ones. So 9 7 are, these are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 63. So 9 7 are 63. 9 8, close the 8th finger and take all these fingers. So this side all tens, this side ones. So how many tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 plus 2 singles. So 72. 9 nines. So now let us see how many tens. We are having the 8 tens 80 plus 1 81. So now 9 tens, close the 10th finger. So there are no single ones this side. So these are all tens. So how many tens? 9 tens. So it is 90. So 9 tens are 90. Are you found easy this one? Let me do one more time for you. Okay. When we are doing whatever the finger we are closing, the before fingers we are calculating as tens, next fingers we are calculating as ones. So 9 ones. So this side no more. This finger I am folding. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos. Second finger we are closing. This side is only single finger, calculate as a tens. These are singles. So this is 10. This is 8. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes. Third finger closing. So left to the third finger is 2 tens 20 and ones are 7. So 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives. Fifth finger closing. So this side 4 tens 40 and this side 5 ones 45. So 9 6. These are the 54. 9 6 are 54. 9 sevens. We are closing the seventh finger. So that is 60 and these are 3. 63. 9 eights. Closing the eighth finger. So this side all tens. 7 tens is 70 and 2. 72. 9 nines. So how many tens are there? 8 tens. 80 plus 1 81. 9 tens are only tens are there. So 9 tens 90. Here no, this side no ones. So 9 tens are 90. Are you able to understand? Now here some of my students are here. This boy is Ashwat, Gautam and Roslyn Peace. Ashwat, have you able to understand this 9 table now?
Yes.
Okay. Have you understand Gautam? Yes? Okay. Now Ashwat, without using the fingers, okay, this method, you know the 9 table? Not very sure, right?
Yes.
Can you say 9 6 are?
9 6 are.
Okay, you're taking. So, what we will do? We will use the fingers and we will learn. Now, Gautam, are you able to understand this?
Yes.
Can you say? Can start 9 table? How to use the fingers and say?
9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18.
Yes.
9 threes are
This is 20.
27.
Very good.
3 nines are
9 fours are fourth finger closing.
36.
Very good.
4 nines.
Five nines.
5 nines are 45.
Very good. Now, from 9 6, can you say?
9
What we have to do? 9 6 mean we have to close the sixth finger. This side all tens.
1.
This side
Ones.
ones. Come and tell me.
9 6 are 4. 9 6 are 54.
54. Very good.
9 7 are 63.
Yes.
9 8 are 72. 9 9s are 81.
Yes.
9 10s are 90.
Very good, Ashwant. Roslyn, are you able to understand the 9 table using your 10 fingers?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say, I will ask in the middle, what is the 9 fives?
Without fingers.
You use your fingers, no problem. Use the fingers freely and tell me. 9 fives.
9 5s are 45.
Very good. 9 eights.
9 8s are 72.
Very good. How you are getting 72?
I'm folding my 8 fingers.
Ah,
These are tens. These are ones.
very good.
72.
What is the 9 nines?
9 9s are 81.
Yes, 9 nines are 81. What are the 9 fours?
9 4s are 36.
Very good. Now Ashwant, can you say what is the 9 sevens? Take your fingers, check and tell me. 9 sevens.
63.
Very good. Can you say what is the 9 threes?
9 threes.
Take your, fold the third finger. Threes.
3 third.
No.
6.
You are telling fourth finger you are folding. Threes mean third finger. Yeah.
20. 28.
20.
27.
27. What about the 9 6?
9 6.
Close the sixth finger.
54.
Very good, Gautam. Now I understand you are all able to understand the 9 table without learning, without by hearting using your 10 fingers. Okay.
Yes.
In the next class, we learn other tables, how we learn without using any by hearting tables or doing the repeated addition. Okay. We will just use the 10 fingers and we will learn the remaining tables. Okay.
Yes.
Bye.